Okay, those three are down. Nice, quick, easy work of it. Now I've got to cut them all up, quarter them, chop the limbs off, get all that crap done, and get this ready so we can pop some holes in the ground. Now for the fun part. I need to grab the wheelbarrow, and then I need to start picking up all those cut pieces I just did. All these branches need to be thrown in a pile, and let's get it out of here. Come on, Millie.
I got all dirty.
Dirty, dirty. Come on, let's go in the house so we can get cleaned up and have some dinner, okay?
And hot chocolate because my hands.
Oh, I love hot chocolate.
My hands are cold.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Boopy. Hey, I want you to take those muddy pants off and your shoes off before you go in the house, and go right up and get your pajamas on, okay?
Okay.
Okay, love you.
And I stay in the house?
Yes, ma'am.
I can't get my jacket up.
Dad, can you help me, please?
Dad, could you help me, please? Thank you.
Yeah. So here's what we're into. We've got a whole bunch of these cedars right here, and I need to clear out all this junk, because this is where our nut trees are going to go. Walnuts, pecans, chestnuts, that sort of stuff. I've got the kids hauling out all of this stuff, and I'm getting to cutting. I feel like I finally completed something, accomplished something. Kids have been going non-stop. I've been going non-stop. We got that all cleared out. Now I just need to get it measured. So I'm gonna put, what do I think, 25 feet on center. I might go 30. But I think 25 feet will be just fine. Oh, thank you, sweetie. Anyways, I think I'm gonna go 25 feet on center. We're gonna put the holes in the ground, and we're gonna start out chestnuts, pecans, walnuts, maybe a couple of hickories.
Are you gonna mark it when it's dry?
We'll get it put in. gonna have to get a whole bunch of mulch. These holes are rocky, 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 rocky. There she be. We got some beautiful dirt, nice holes, and then all of a sudden, got some okay, and then it gets rocky. Rocky, 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 rocky road. So we got all the holes in all over down here. I need to go and get a load of mulch so we can put a bunch of mulch in these holes with these trees. And then we're going to start putting trees all in the ground. Got clay down in there. Anyhow, I'm pretty stinkle pink. Lots of rock. I mean, they brought in all this rock, but all over the place. There's just, I had the kids just piling rock up, gathering it from all over. You can see just rock, 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 rock. So we're gonna have to really get some mulch and fill those things in. Put a bunch of mulch in there with the trees. Compost, sorry, not mulch, compost. Stupid brain works the wrong way sometimes.